Okay, so today I'm creating a resume. Uh, I actually created a resume. Um, kind of used my LinkedIn profile, did a full chronological work period thing, and then I took the final formatting and condensed it to just the last 10 years. I do just the last 10 years because I don't want to really show off how old I am. I'm a dinosaur. But I used Copilot to look up some of the skills that you need for like user support analyst, which is a position I'm going for. Also, desktop support technical skills, and then I was dictating it here in Word, and then I thought, well, I could do a tutorial on how to run a dictation. Now, may have already set this up at some point under six settings uh, and narration or dictation and stuff like that here, but I thought this would be a cool thing to do. I'm just going to go over and because it seems to be working pretty well, but then I might mimic a computer voice as well. So uh, it wasn't working this good before, but don't think I did it in Word last time. I think I did it in Notepad, or I did it, I was using narration and dictation and stuff. I don't know if I did it in Word or because this is my Windows 11, and it took a little while to set this up with my computer, and I felt like my work computer was much better at this stuff than my home computer. But anyway, so essentially, I'm going to move the stuff that I'm dictating from. Yes, I could probably just copy and paste. I don't know. I gotta look and see where it was at. So customer service was the last one here. Okay, so I'm essentially just going to show you how this works. I'm going to hit the dictate, and I'll just read off what I want to dictate here. Make sure I'm where I want to be. System updates and maintenance, colon. Ability to perform system updates, comma, backups, comma, and routine maintenance, period. New line. Security awareness, colon. Understanding of cybersecurity principles and best practices, period. New line. Mobile device support, colon. Skills in supporting mobile devices and operating systems, period. New line. Documentation, colon. Ability to create and maintain detailed technical documentation, period. And there you have it. Uh, that's gonna probably roll off the list of what I'm doing for my resume here. Some of this may appear just like that on my resume, or I may just be doing something else here. I'll summarize some of that. But so I got desktop support skills, user support analyst skills. I got to do particular skills with what programs I use, what uh, languages and applications and database stuff, and kind of craft a new thing here. All of this just to um, go ahead and apply to positions and jobs and things. And I swear, sometimes I work harder at trying to get a job than I actually do in a job. I don't know. But anyway, that's me crafting my skill here.